Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to access and modify voicemail main menu options in 3CX. We'll demonstrate this feature in the 3CX web client. You could also check your voicemail from your desk phone or on your cell phone with the 3CX app. Click on the dialer in the upper right corner of the screen and select the device you'll call with. In our example, we'll choose the browser. Dial the voicemail extension number, then enter your PIN number and press pound. It will then prompt you with some playback options. Dial 9 to access voicemail main menu options.
To play messages, press star. To change your profile status, press 1. To dial a number, press 3. To delete all read messages, press 4. To change your self-identification message, press 5. To play mailbox information, press 6. To change voicemail PIN number, press 7. To change your greeting message, press 8. To repeat this prompt, press 9. To exit, press pound.
This has been a basic demonstration of how to access and configure voicemail menu options in the 3CX web client. Check back for more videos on 3CX as well as other helpful guides.